This is the money. Just watch me. Whatever I did, that's exactly what you will do outside there. Okirikiri kan abu ko sanari elu. Okirikiri kan le kiri odiga ti odi le osu. The way I just did it. Yes. 3 times.
3 times.
Yeah. 3 times. 3 times. 3 times.
Okay.
That's exactly what you will do. Then you drop the money. Hold your ears. Sure, it's the girl that will pick the money.
Okay.
If any other person picks the money, you know the consequences. You know the consequences.
I know.
So everything is clear.
Everything is okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Nandiyan ng break. Ito ulit. Tapos ang tatayabo.
Man, I beg. Man, just come on now. I want those people this money. Help me, I beg. Pick the money for me now, please. Please, man. Yeah! No, don't be the money. Hey! Jebi, don't pick him. I tell you, make you pee.
Why am I going to
Now you don't pick him now.
Money for grand, I help you pick
Hey, now you don't pick them. You don't happy. You don't spoil show for me. Hey!
See your money now.
See money what they give you. Look at this. Give him. See. You don't throw him. You don't pick him. Okay. Are you happy?
Take your money.
No. I don't need it again. I don't need the money. Now, you have spoiled show for me. You are happy, right? You are happy? Now you are happy, Abby? Okay. Enjoy the money. Enjoy the money. See money was supposed to give them. Enjoy the money. Hey, enjoy the money. Enjoy the money.
I'm not be batting.
Enjoy the money.
I'm not be batting.
I'm telling you,
I'm
enjoy
not
the
be batting
money.
now.
Enjoy the money.
Hey.
Enjoy the money. What do you want to do now? Look at, what do you want to do?
God,
Enjoy the fucking money, guy.
Hey.
Enjoy the fucking money. What do you want to do for you now?
Hey!
Give me.
Hey! Patano! Patano! Hey! 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 My eyes have seen my noses. Anyama ba hunantin. Anyama ba huna my nose, who my ear, who every part of my body. So now what did that happen with this one? Chineke na umu ogbenye anaputala nwatakịrị. So if this girl had picked this money, this is how she would have gone. Of course, I know it will end somewhere that is not okay. I said it. I thought I was watching. I was really watching, following. Tajara somewhere now watching. Young boys of these days, you want to you want to make money today and die tomorrow. Allow God to bless you by himself, with himself and on himself. Give Simba ritual money. Hey, God, I thank God this girl is from a home. If she had come from a house, by now she would have turned to tortoise or turned to tuber of yam or pure water. But because she's from a home, immediately she heard pick for me. You have run for your life. Stupid thing. This is just the beginning. Anybody that is into this should be very, very careful. Take your money. My hands are clean. I cannot stand my hands on dirty things because I need to make money. I rather suffer, and at the end of the day, I would enjoy than I want to enjoy so quick and then end up somewhere. God will not be happy with me. My ancestors will not be happy with me. Igbo will not be happy with me. We are meant to struggle and make money, and not to kill and make money. Nonsense. Hey, yo.